We are back on the Terrormite. A little bit of an issue with the valves. Doing a little research here. It seems like every control surface on here is worn out. This one's not so bad. This one, however, is a little worse. This one is also shot. So it looks like I've got to do some replacing. Because I don't think it's supposed to be that sloppy. And somebody said I need to turn the pump up, but I don't know how, I don't know where, and I don't know to what. How do you figure out how many pounds you got? I don't see a gauge anywhere. So if you know, be kind enough to share. I'd like to get this thing a little bit more in tune than it is now. I mean, do I just put a gauge there? Looks like we got an extra. No, it's different than these. I don't know. I don't know anything about hydraulics. All I know about hydraulics is it shouldn't be this sloppy. I mean, it still works, but it is touchy, touchy, touchy. And not in the fun way. Looks like this shaft is worn. This one here. Looks like that hole here is worn. Iron feels tight. Feels like the slop's in here. That clevis is worn. I wonder if I can get this whole piece, lever and everything. Company's out of business, so I don't know. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, that's loose. Not bad, but it is loose. This one over here, the shaft itself is tight, but everything else is loose. And these are a little loose as well. Looks like it's just the pins. I can handle replacing the pins. Not that it matters. I mean, those are the tightest out of everything here.